Welcome to SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic for RTY students in our subject digital media, that is Google Networks. Let's get started. Now, before getting into what exactly Google Network, of course, everyone is quite familiar with the topic. Like, Google is said to be one of the largest search engine in the world, in the entire world. Now, what is Google Network? It basically talks about the customers tend to do a lot of online. They search, they shop, they read the news and browse interesting website. Yeah, that's very important, because today if you talk about we are into that kind of digital era wherein we as in customers, we generally get into a lot of activities online that has been happening. Generally we tend to read, we tend to shop, we tend to search any kind of information. A lot of activities, and like even going online and like with live kind of a thing. So all these activities, generally it's been getting a lot of popularity, and it's been growing to a extreme level altogether. So we think you should be able to reach your customers no matter what they are doing on the web. Now, very important, see, online in the current scenario, if I talk about it, digital media, it's playing a very important role altogether, and somewhere down the line it's very important that you have to reach to your customers. Even in our previous lectures also, we were discussing, it's not only the thing ki, okay, I have started my own website, or I have created my own website, okay, that's it, my job is done. No, this is not the way how it works. It generally tries to cater to a different section of customers, different sections of audience. So we need to do a lot of brainstorming sessions altogether. Third important aspect, that is the Google Network, our name for the places where you can appear, including Google sites, web pages that partner with us, and other placements like mobile phone apps. Now, of course, somewhere down the line, because Google, it's not only restricted to only one thing, like it's said to be the largest search engine, only you can use Google for search purpose. No, it's nothing like that. Today Google, of course, they are into a lot of offerings, lot of things that's been generally been used for different sector of populations. Now, for example, even if we talk about our own students, we do have one of the very important thing, Google Classrooms. We do have Gmeet, wherein we conduct our lectures, online lectures, even the meetings, all these things generally do happens. Then we do have Google Docs for that matter, we do have Google Forms for that matter. So today Google, it has explored extensively to the wider section of population, and that's the reason Google stands completely apart from rest of the other search engines. Next important, search networks, a group of search related websites that your ads and free product listings can appear. Now, very importantly, Google ads, generally if you talk about it, that play a very important role. Already we have covered in the SEM, that is search engine marketing, how in Google ads, we do have a pay per clicks ad, you have a paid advertisements, you have a non-paid ads. So somewhere down the line, Google, it acts as per in such a way wherein you tend to get advertisements, and we tend to get pop-up ads. So that also tend to differ from business to business and companies to companies. So again, if because they are the one who decides wherein they want to place their ads, whether they want always to keep on a notification kind of a thing. Generally if you talk about e-commerce websites, they always come up with a lot of notifications. Your Flipkart, your Amazon for that matter, they tend to come up with a lot of discount offers, coupon codes and all such kind of things which attract our customers. Now, and again, somewhere down the line, digital platform, it's a very important platform, and it's a very different platform from your rest of the other traditional media, which includes your print magazines, your print newspapers, magazines, pamphlets, then your electronic media. Of course, we do have television, radio and all, but somewhere down the line, digital or the internet, the web series, of course, the web aspect, if you talk about it, it has a very vast and a niche audience altogether. Now, we do have Google Maps, Google Shopping, Google Images. So wherein, if you want to search any kind of, any images, if you want to take any kind of download any images for that matter, of course, Google Images, it do play a very important role. And for that matter, even Google Shopping, Google Maps, all these kind of things, it gives you a kind of a proper direction to wherever we want to go for a shop, shopping for a kind of a purpose, or like even we want to reach to a particular destination. So these things generally it gives a wider scope and a better perspective to audience, and somewhere down the line today, of course, audience, they are relying much more on the Google. These days generally देखा if you अगर हम generally भी बात करें तो of course Google to a certain extent it has grown drastically, and even at the same time it has gone through a lot of changes, especially in the past 1 year, wherein we are in the situation called pandemic. Pandemic situation में अभी भी हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं झूंझ रहे हैं, for that matter. So somewhere down the line, if you talk about it, in the past 1 year, of course, the importance of the internet or importance of digital platform, it has grown drastically, and even in the nearer future, somewhere down the line, it may tend to surpass your traditional media to a certain extent. Now we do have text ads, dynamic search ads, and call only ads. Of course, we do have different kind of advertisings for that matter, wherein we go for search related to any particular products for that matter. So generally, that first we generally come up with the Google ads. So it talks about the different kind of ads of so and so company. So for example, Amazon, Flipkart, or any kind of search for that matter, you tend to get that Google ads का अगर आपको पहले वो notification आता ही है, somewhere down the line, then you come up with rest of the other shops, or like different other shopping sites for that matter. So somewhere down the line, it also depends upon how company to company, how they want to enhance or grow their business for that matter. And yeah, somewhere down the line, of course, to want to grow your business, it's it's your marketing that play a very important role. Your marketing, your advertisings, these two are the very key and important aspect altogether. Then we have the most common thing, kinds of ads on the search network. So these ads appear with an ad or ads label on the search result page, and might have ads by Google, labor or partner sites. I mean, like जैसे हम लोग कहीं ना कहीं अगर कुछ site अगर open करते for that matter, if you want to search on motorbikes or like cars for that matter, so वो कहीं ना कहीं you get a Google ads करके पहले ही वो आता है. So we never try to click on those kind of ads, for that matter, because we are not so much into it. But कोई लोग जो है, even they may want to search or serve something more to it, they do click on Google ads, and you may tend to get much more information altogether. So अगर आपको कभी try करना है तो of course you can just give a try. Then we have, they often show with ad extension which allow advertisers to include business details like locations or phone numbers in their ads. Yeah, somewhere down the line, even agar, for example, if we talk about just say Hypercity, or like any kind of proper in orbit mall, or any kind of proper showrooms agar hum baat kare to of course we do, or yeah, DMart for that matter, say for example DMart in Ulhasnagar or DMart in Ambernath for that matter. तो उसमें क्या होता है, you get a proper kind of phone, your number, your phone number, your address, your directions also to a certain extent, so that customers को कहीं ना कहीं वो easy हो जाता है to go to that proper destination. So they know कि अरे हाँ okay, by car जाएंगे तो कितना देर लगेगा, by train जाएंगे तो कितना देर लगेगा, what are the different kind of mode of vehicles wherein you can go to reach over there. So these things it gives a very better the perspective and a complete idea to your customers for that matter. Then we do have these ads appears with ads or labels on the search results. So they often show with the extension, that's again somewhere down the line, because we do have so certain business entrepreneurs for that matter, or certain business organizations, they do tend to deal with how well they can post their ads, and saying somewhere down the line how well they can persuade the customers. See, it's very important for online platform mein, you need to make a lot of efforts to do a marketing aspect. अगर हम marketing and advertising की अगर हम बात करें तो even in our previous lectures also we spoke about how advertising is just a small part. When you talk about the marketing तो काफी vast है, उसमें advertising is a small portion to it. So advertising के अंदर marketing नहीं आता, it's marketing अंदर आपको advertising, sales promotion, your publicity, your PR, public relations, all these aspects, it comes into the picture. Now shopping ads display and link to products for sale. Of course, somewhere down the line, if you talk about the shopping ads and everything, so you may tend to come across lot of different websites, जैसे Myntra है, Shopclues है, then we have Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, Snapdeal, all these kind of websites. So you get a better perspective. तो क्या होता है आपको शॉपिंग एड्स पूरा आ जाता है कि अरे हाँ फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई वांट टू बाय अ कुर्ता और जीन्स एंड टी शर्ट फॉर दैट मैटर, तो हमको क्या होता है वी गेट अ वेरी क्लियर आइडिया कि आपको कौन सा वेबसाइट पे कितने में कितना डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, किधर आपको कम से कम मिल रहा है, सो वेरी यू कैन पॉप इन टू दैट पर्टिकुलर वेबसाइट एंड you can buy a product. Very importantly, they are labeled as sponsored or appeared with ads or ads label on the search results page and might have an ads by Google labeled on the partner. Of course, we do have a sponsored ads, just of course we do have print even we do have a print ad or television ad for that matter. Just sponsored ads. Agar sponsored ads agar hum baat kare to of course these ads generally it's a sponsored kind of a thing. तो क्या होता है these are the business organization, they particularly pay an extra amount for that Google इसके लिए ताकि आपका वो ad कहीं ना कहीं बार बार आ सके and like they can persuade the customers to buy the product. Then we do have image and video ads, that is search partners can host images, image ad and video ads. Of course somewhere down the line today you do talk about, because a picture speaks more than 1,000 number of words agar hum baat karte to somewhere down the line image, your video, these things somewhere down the line it attract your customers. Because just posting a simple ad for that matter, of course customers they may not even have a keen interest to look upon what exactly the ad is all about. If you try to make it quite interesting, अगर जैसे आज ही हमने डिस्कस किया हुआ था, हमें समवेयर डाउन द लाइन you do have Tata's का they have started with their own kind of shopping websites and they have started almost lockdown के टाइम में उन्होंने start किया था wherein people they wanted to like थोड़ा Indian based e-commerce website उन्होंने कहीं ना कहीं start किया, but they are into a kind of only clothing attire. जैसे we have Myntra, it's only talk about the clothing, the fashion line of kind of a thing. So even the Tatas, they have started with it. So उन्होंने क्या किया, they made a brand ambassadors, Karan Johar and Twinkle Khanna for that matter, they have chosen them as a brand ambassador, and very smartly what they do is like they try to create those kind of ads much more online, because ये क्या होता है, this is an online shopping shopping website for that matter. So that's the reason somewhere down the line they try to target the audience wherein I may tend to get lot of information about a particular ads, so automatically even they may tend to get much more attracted customers, because they may wondering wow, Karan Johar and Twinkle Khanna and the kind of, because Karan Johar all know he is been known as a fashion fiesta for that matter, he do almost have a good sense of fashion and all such kind of things. So automatically they do make ads in such a way wherein they attract customers. So that's the reason if you talk about your Amazon, your Grofers, all the e-commerce websites, it do give a lot of importance in the marketing and even at the same time advertisement, because somewhere down the line even we need to think upon how do I need to advertise. It's not only like that, okay हाँ मैंने start कर दिया मेरा अपना website, okay that's it, I'm not much more interested into it. No, that's not the way how it. If you want to grow up your business, आपको अपना बिजनेस अगर आपको ग्रो करना है, तो somewhere down the line your marketing and advertising both are equally important. Then very important, if you talk about its target options let you strategically show your messages to potential customers at the right place and the right time. जैसे मैंने somewhere down the line always your advertising अगर हम बात करते हैं, of course they try to focus कौन सा product which kind of product का ads हम कब किस time में दिखाना है. जैसे electronic media में we do have afternoon slots, we do have prime time slots and all such kind of stuffs. So they do know कि which channel do I need to focus, or do I need to showcase my product. That is also very important. Now you can't show any such kind of ads at any random timing. No, that's not the way how it works. Okay. Then we do have here are some of the examples of how you can approach targeting with displaying ads. Now very important, find new customers or engaging your existing customers using audience. Now again that's a very important thing, because somewhere down the line you need to engage new customers, but even before engaging new customers you have to satisfy your existing customers, because कभी कभी ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपके existing customers ही आपको छोड़ के दूसरे वेबसाइट में चले जाते, and it do happen a lot when it comes to your social networking sites or like for that matter digital platform में कहीं ना कहीं ज्यादा होता ही है. They may not tend to be that kind of brand loyal towards a particular e-commerce website. So somewhere down the line it's very important that how you are going to keep your existing customers happy. वो चीज आपको कहीं ना कहीं फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग यू हैव टू फोकस दैट, एंड एट द सेम टाइम you have to attract your new customers also. So for that, of course, lot of brainstorming sessions you need to work upon a lot, because तभी आप अपना business grow कर सकते हैं. Then only you can come up with lot of your display kind of ads, and at the same time how you're going to present your advertising. These things generally do play a very important role. Similar audience and in-market audience allow you to target people who are most likely to be interested in your products, helping you find new prospective customers. Yeah, somewhere down the line, of course, because some your similar kind of audience, even they may tend to help the new customers by giving their reviews, by giving their feedback. What exactly the product is all about, whether they are they are been using that kind of product from past so many years, and they are very much satisfied with it. So it's better you try to use those kind of products. Now with this, I'll give you one excellent example. Now very often if you talk about it online, you have a that Ayurvedic based customized kind of a product for your hair growth, and for reducing your hair fall, all this kind of thing, that is Vedics. If you talk about Vedics.com, now what that your Vedics.com, it has become quite popular among the common people. And the way the kind of advertising they do is they always tend to come up with the real customers who have actually experimented with that kind of product. So what they have never tried to come up with those kind of all the celebrity people, giving their view, their opinion, all this kind of stuffs. So they have always come in front front of camera, and they have properly shooted the video and everything, and then they have shoot out that video, and then they have discussed what kind of hair problem we have gone through, and by using this growth serum, your shampoo, oil, all this kind of things, so how it has helped them to reduce the hair fall and all, because these are the one of the major concern, your hair, skin, these are the one of the very important products that actually rule your market to a certain extent. Then at the same time, if you talk about it, you can also use data like a remarketing list to help you re-engage your people who previously visited your sites. Yeah, somewhere down the line, of course, you do have an idea or a concept, wherein how many people they have revisited your sites, and how many people have that viewed it. So they get a much better perspective. And somewhere down the line, how the reviews, it gives them a much more better idea, wherein you can improve on your products, or you can improve on your advertisements for that matter. Then we do have drive more conversations using automation. That's very important, because today we actually need to engage with lot of new technologies that's been coming up. If a classic example is like Instagram. Now Instagram, oh my god, we have so many kind of different features that they have included, your podcast, and your filters for that matter, and somewhere down the line, even customers, they are using extensively for that matter to make look better, to make to showcase your different kind of places all together. And of course Instagram, generally if you talk about it, of course it talks about much of the audio, video, and images. Of course, rather than being a text, it's much more of a insta kind of a thing, wherein you can actually post your picture in a much more lot of filters, and make much more in a creative manner altogether. Then automated targeting helps you get more conversation by finding high performing audiences based on your existing audiences and landing page. Now that's very important, because you need to understand your target customers. So automated targeting, somewhere down the line, it gives you a clear idea, who are my target audience, who are my existing customers. So how well can I improve on my advertising, how well can I improve my marketing strategy. So these are the minute things that generally do play a very important role. Then by automatically optimizing over time, Google Ads can learn which audience work for you. Of course, generally, because you do have an idea. Okay, fine. I may want to change this ad, or shall I proceed with this ad? So इसलिए somewhere down the line आपको कहीं ना कहीं काफी हद तक research करना पड़ता है. It's not an easy task. Marketing करना, generally people say अरे हाँ marketing ही तो है, कौन सी बड़ी बात है. Generally हम लोग बोलते हैं ना अरे हाँ lecturer ही तो है, teacher ही तो है, lecture ही लेना है. So see, every job, I mean, like they do have their own kind of uniqueness to it. So even the same way, if you talk about it, the marketing may be somewhere down the line, you need to do a lot of brainstorming sessions, and at the same time, how well are you going to post your ads, where are you going to post your ads. So all these things, you have to work it accordingly, because then only you can actually place it. I mean, then only you can actually grow out your business, and then only your products, it may tend to get promoted. Then आता है automated bidding. That is, automatically it gives you a better adjustment. That's your bid to help you meet your return or investment, because somewhere down there when you did a bidding कि अरे हाँ मैंने इतने में मैंने I have purchased that so so and so place, wherein my ads will be placed and everything. So then only आपने जितना आपने bid किया है, कहीं ना कहीं आपको उतना amount of returns या profit at least थोड़ा तो मिलना चाहिए. And that's how it generally works, because business में somewhere down the line अगर business start करके आपने 1 crore रुपए भी invest किया है, of course you do expect थोड़ा amount तो ना at least initially थोड़ा profit आए. Of course initially it may not take but to a huge turn altogether. You may tend to progress it slowly and steadily, but somewhere down the line at least वो profit aspect पे भी you need to work upon it. और वो प्रॉफिट हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, समवेयर डाउन द लाइन, हाउ क्रिएटिवली एंड हाउ क्लेवरली यू डू योर मार्केटिंग. because आज की डेट पे everything it depends, it revolves around the marketing concept only. Then we have smart display campaigns combine the best of automated targeting, bidding, and creative and creatives to maximize your conversions on Google Ads, because then only you can actually come up with lot of conversions. You can tend to meet your new customers altogether, and that's how you can place your advertising. At the same time, you can pull on a lot of customers towards it. Thank you.